Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of learning Great is Thy Faithfulness. So today I'm not going to show you each sign because we learned that in the first 2 videos. Today we're going to walk through the song from top to bottom. But before I do that, I have a few announcements. So tomorrow I have a big announcement for you guys. So stay tuned. Tomorrow there's a big announcement coming, and yeah, I just want you to be ready for that. Remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. And when you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so top to bottom, here we go. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. There is no shadow, no turning, right? We're doing worry, no worry with thee or with you. You change not, you don't change, and your compassion, they fail not. As thou hast been, thou forever will be. And you can add will be if you want, like that. And then that chorus, great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, every morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand has provided, given, right? Those G's coming down from heaven, given. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, to me. Okay, now we're moving on to what we learned yesterday. So we have summer and winter, springtime and harvest, the sun, moon, and stars in their courses above, join with all nature. Remember, we're doing earth, which is kind of a ball on your wrist, all with nature, in manifold, greater witness. So you see it and you're writing it down, witness to thy great faithfulness, mercy, and love. And then it goes back to the chorus. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, and then the final one, pardon for sin, and a peace that endureth continues. Thine own dear presence, cheer, happy, and to guide. Strength for today, strength for now, and bright hope for tomorrow. Great is thy faithfulness. I lost my spot. Hope for tomorrow. Sorry. Blessings all mine with 10,000 beside. Let's rewind a little bit. We'll go back to the top of the third. Sorry, look guys, I make mistakes too. That's just the way it goes. Okay, so pardon for sin and a peace that endureth, thine own dear presence to cheer and to guide, strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow, blessings all mine with 10,000 beside. And then on to the chorus. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I need, thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness. And then because it's the last one, it repeats that. Great is thy faithfulness. One more time. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. And that's everything you need for the walkthrough. So practice that as many times as you need to. I will probably practice a few times before I go on to the next video. But when you and I are both ready, we can go on to the next video, and that's when we're going to sign with the music. Bye. Romans 6:13 says, "Give yourself completely to God, for you were dead, but now you have new life. So use your whole body, including your hands, as an instrument to do what is right for the glory of God."